Hey there, how are you? Did you know that you have a couple of marketing features available in your Dynamics 365 sales even without a Customer Insights aka marketing license? My name is Jorge Daniel, and in this video I am going to show you how you can take advantage of marketing lists. Hey everyone, just to let you know that my videos are now also being hosted here, the channel with the cutest cat. Please give Spark a big thumbs up and show him all your love by hitting that subscribe button. And what are marketing lists? Put simply, marketing lists are a way of grouping leads, contacts, or accounts that follow some given criteria. You can make lists targeted at leads, contacts, or accounts, but you can't mix them together. And you have two types of lists, static and dynamic. Static are those you choose to maintain manually, and these are useful when you want to make a new list for some kind of initiative. Let's say you have a roadshow going on and your next stop is Seattle. You can make a quick list of your contacts from Seattle. Let's add a new list. Call this one Seattle Static, and the target should be contacts. With the list created, you can now manage its members. Click on Manage Members and use Advanced Find so you can filter your contacts that live in Seattle. City equals Seattle, and find them and add them. And you now have a list of your contacts that live in Seattle. Dynamic lists, on the other hand, are those where you set the criteria and then members are added automatically. Let's go back to this Seattle example and now create a dynamic list. So new list, Seattle dynamic. The list type this time will be dynamic and also targeted at contacts, and save them. Now, with Manage Members, you are asked to set the criteria. And this will be where city equals Seattle. Let's find them. And let's use this query. And for now, we have two lists with the same contact. What changes is when you add a new contact. So let's add a new one. Let's call this one New Seattle. And let's take care to fill in city. Okay. Now let's take a look at our marketing lists. So Seattle Static still has the same 4 contacts it initially had, while Seattle Dynamic now has 5 contacts. Pretty cool, eh? Not a blockbuster for sure, but it can still come in handy. Let me know if you enjoyed this one, and I hope to see you soon.